Is your back killing you? I'm Bethany Smith, and we save backs. We also help companies save money. How? Lift your table folding table risers. Folding tables were designed to be sat at, not work behind. So people who work from a folding table in a standing capacity often experience lower back pain and neck strain. Lift your table folding table risers. List the height of folding tables to multiple heights without tools. As you can see on this table, this has our most popular size and most popular foot installed. This is our hard foot. It raises this table up to 36 inches, which is approximately kitchen counter height. What's nice about this riser that there's no compromise to the stability of the table, and it can be repositioned very easily without removing the risers. We also offer a bar height, which is installed on this table. Our bar height risers, as you can see, this is a perfect working height for people who need a higher work surface or a standing desk. We sell our product all over the world in all 50 states. We love to say, lift your table and save your back.